Hey everybody, my name is Manoli, and today I would like to do a little experiment to test out which of these paints, based on their densities, is going to be the best cell activator when doing the swipe technique. Okay, so these are all dense paints that I have right here, and these are all going to be used as my cell activator when doing this experiment. Okay, so I'm going to go through these one by one. So zinc white by Golden, that has a density of 5.6. Master's Touch, this is thick body acrylic orange, which has a density of 5.1. Golden's cobalt turquoise, that has a density of 4.8. Okay, and then Liquitex Mars Black has a density of 4.6. Finally, Master's Touch thick body acrylic cerulean blue hue has a density of 4.5. Okay, so I'm just going to do a swipe technique. I want to see which one produces the best lacing effects and which one gives the best cells as well. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to go through these paints first. Okay, these are the ones that I'm only using as a cell activator. Okay, now these are each mixed with 1 part paint and then 3 parts of Australian Floetrol. Don't be scared to buy the Australian Floetrol. I know it's expensive, but this little bottle, it's 1 liter, which is 1/4 of a gallon. That'll last you for ages, okay, because you only use this to for the cell activator that you're going to swipe with, okay. All right, so we said 1 part paint, 3 parts Australian Floetrol for the cell activators. Now, I'm going to use as a base, this is just Artist Loft Black. This is the liquid acrylic, and I'm just going to use this just as a base. And the colors that I'm going to swipe over, okay, these are just leftover paints that I had, perfect to do as an experiment. All right, so I have this is a metallic red, bronze, this is lemon yellow by Master's Touch, and then this one here is just it's a violet color that I think I mixed myself, but they are all 1 part paint, 2 parts American Floetrol. Okay, so I love doing experiments. I feel like a mad scientist, and I'm loving it, okay? So why don't we start off with most to least dense. Okay, so we're going to go with a zinc white by Golden, 5.6 density. Okay. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to lay out my base here. Okay, just like that. Okay. Let's blow dry it. All right, and okay, so I'm going to put just 1 strip here of the violet. It's giving me issues. Okay, so I'm put here 1 strip of violet. Okay, and let's do a little bit of yellow. Okay, here is my bronze. Okay, and I'm just going to put the red over like that, just kind of like that. Okay, all right. Right here I have pre-mixed my golden zinc white. I like to put it on tubes like that. It kind of makes it easier to swipe over. Okay. Makes it easier to apply, is what I meant. All right, so go here, that, okay. All right, let's see what happens. Get that off. I am loving that. Okay, well the cells are popping up right there. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, we're gonna swipe now with the thick body Master's Touch orange. Okay, let's get the base down first. right, and start with, just like in the last one, I'm going to go in the same order, violet. Do yellow. Let's do bronze. Okay, and here's the red. This is a metallic red. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, just like that. Okay. All right, so I said orange. Okay. Might be a little too much I put on there, but whatever. Okay. Let's see what happens with that. Go out. All right, let's move on to the next. This one doesn't look like it's doing too much right now. Let's give it a little blow dry. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for them to pop up. Okay. All right, let's get my base down. All right, violet. If you think I talk too much, please put it in the comments below. I tend to ramble. Okay. Okay, and the red. All right. What am I doing now? Okay, that's right. Let's do the turquoise. This is a Cobalt Turquoise by Golden. Okay, let's get that on there. All right, it's a turquoise. I kind of like that one actually. All right. And let's do, here's a black base. All right, for the next one. Stupid me, I should have made a little bit more space, but it's a messy art. And I have no problem with that. Okay. So that. Here's yellow. This bronze right here. I love this bronze. So pretty. You probably can't see how pretty it is through camera, but up close, man, it is pops. All right. Here's the, okay, a little bit of that. All right. So this is the Mars Black, okay, by Liquitex. Okay. There we go, just a little bit. Cool. Sorta. Huh. Guess we'll see. All right. Let's do the last one. Okay, this is the one that I was always hopeful for because that's such a pretty blue. But let's lay our base down. Okay. This is the least dense paint. This is by Master's Touch Thick Body Cerulean Blue Hue, which has a density of 4.5. So this is the lowest density. Okay. Right. Put my base down and violet. Okay. That's yellow. Also know that, there always could be a lot of other factors that indicate how the lacing or the cells are going to turn out. Sometimes maybe the paints are not mixed to the perfect consistency. It happens. Different brands of paint, I also sometimes find different effects. Okay, so let me get the blue. All right, this is my cell activator for this one. Okay. Let's give it a moment, see if it pops. All right, here we have the zinc white, which is by Golden, the densest paint. Okay, this is Master's Touch, thick body orange. This is the next density down, 5.1. Okay, right here we have Golden, Cobalt Turquoise. I like that. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, and here we have the Mars Black. It's pretty cool actually as well. Now the Master's Touch Cerulean Blue didn't seem to do as much. I got a few in there, but it doesn't have that beautiful lacing effect that we all try to get. Okay, but here is overall. Okay. So I feel like what I've learned from this is that the brand of paint seems to matter, at least it does to me. I feel like the golden brands are the ones that got me the best results. These are all great paints. I use them all the time. But for swiping and using as a cell activator, I do like the results with the golden, and they're not too much different with the densities. These are all high densities, but these are the highest. But I can definitely see why most artists do like to use zinc white to swipe with. Okay, so thank you all for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section. Okay, bye.